How to add shop page on your website menu on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix, this is the home page. Now go to the top here, click on add and click page right here. Now all what you have to do is go down, click on shop and choose a template right here. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one, and wait a few seconds until it take you to this page. Now as you can see, we are gonna just wait until it start adding this feature to our website. Now it's ready, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click manage and you will be able to edit all those informations easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.